Rainmaker right here, 44 Auto Mart, 998 Frost Avenue in Bardstown, Kentucky. Got a great car for you right here, beautiful. This is the Kia Soul, kind of a unique, kind of a square-looking kind of car. Got plenty of room in it. Little four-cylinder gas saver, gets about 23 to 31 miles a gallon. The room right here's got all the features you want on here. You get in. I'm going to have our producer here, Scott's going to check you out. You got your premium stereo system. You got your controls on the steering wheel for almost everything you got, radio and Bluetooth. It has all the latest in the technology field that you can get. Here, if you're going to haul something, you got plenty of room for four or five adults, but you can also be like this, lay it down if you're hauling things. All the way from the back here, you have a backup camera. This is a really pretty green. It's got a lot of soul to the color. Right here, when you're hauling stuff, it kind of keeps it where people can't see in and see what you're hauling, but this do come off. You got storage down below here. You got your, they got the inflatable stuff for the tires, the run flat type deals. Right here, hauling room, plenty of room. You can haul a drum set. If you go to flea markets and stuff, this kind of stuff would be great. If you gas saver, you can still haul a lot of merchandise that you might be buying. Tires are good. You got the alloy wheels. Got the good cloth seats, but they got the real pretty trim. They got the green trim around the sides of them. Folks, this is a nice little car. It's the Kia Soul Plus. It's got the Plus. That's the premium package. And we got this one priced at, I believe, $15,944. So come on down to 44 Mart. Put a little soul in your life. Kia, right here, really nice little ride. Has a 10-year warranty for the first owner. Or if you be the second owner right there, you would get from the manufacturer 5 years, 60,000 miles, remainder of the warranties. Come see us, Big John, 44 Auto Mart, right here at Bardstown, Kentucky. Come on, folks, the deals are hot. We're going to make your dreams come true. I like it. We'll see you on the next one. Phone number is 502-331-0171. Ask for Big John, the Dream Maker. Thanks.